Hi, I'm Raw Chef Yin, vegan chef, author, and TEDx speaker. Welcome to Signature Market. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a vegan fudge, which is filled with pistachios and strawberries. So to make the vegan fudge, what we're going to do first is put in the almond butter into this mixing bowl. And then we're going to put in the coconut oil. We're using 6 of these sachets for the coconut oil. Alright, so now we've put in the coconut oil and the almond butter. We're just going to whisk it together. Okay, so now it looks pretty well combined. We're going to put in the rest of the ingredients. Just going to put in the maple syrup. Mix it up a bit as well. Organic soy sauce. So you might be wondering why we're using organic soy sauce in a chocolate fudge. It gives it a depth of flavor and it also rounds up the flavors as well. And I always use it in my chocolate recipes, so we're using it today. Put that in. And then just mix it up a little bit more. Alright. The other thing we're going to add in is the cocoa powder. So this is Signature Market's pure 100% cocoa powder. It doesn't have any preservatives. There's no added coloring or anything. Now what we're going to do is add in the strawberries and the pistachios, half of it. So what I've done is we've cut up the strawberries into smaller pieces. There's also the chopped pistachios. So we had this is the Signature Market raw pistachios, so they're not toasted. And what we've done is we've chopped it up. But I think it's okay because it will set eventually. So now that it's mixed up, what we're going to do is we're going to put the mixture into a pan. We've lined this with parchment paper so it's easier to remove. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some of the pistachio nuts and the strawberries on the bottom first, so that when you take the fudge out, then you can see the dried fruits as well as the nuts on it. Oops, I forgot to add in the salt, so we're going to add it in now. Add in just a pinch of salt. The salt actually brings out the flavor. It enhances the flavor and it also brings out the sweetness as well. Alright, so now we're going to put the fudge mixture into our mold here. Okay, and then now it's ready to be put inside our container. So now I'm just pressing it in, and now to top it, we're just going to put the remaining of the pistachio nuts as well as the dried strawberries. Just going to press it in a bit. Okay, so what we're going to do next is put this into the freezer for it to set for about an hour, and then after that we can take it out and slice it and you can serve it. Okay, so now the fudge has been in the freezer for 1 hour. I'm going to take it out and let's see how it has set, and then maybe we can try it. This is the consistency. This is how it looks like. So here's your vegan fudge with strawberries and pistachios. And we also have a special signature market giveaway for you. You just need to answer one question and comment below. And one lucky winner will get a signature market parcel worth 150 ringgit. So the question is, how many packets of coconut oil did we put into this fudge recipe? Answer below and all the best! May you win something from Signature Market. So if you'd like me to do more vegan recipes for you, remember to subscribe to the Signature Market YouTube channel and like and comment and share. I'll see you in the next video.